Do you have a huge, oversized, clunky bag?
Preventing you from getting to your French fries?
Then try
Wee bag. Ha ha ha.
Hi folks, and welcome back. I'm Bill Handycam, hope you didn't forget me, and I'm here with Billy Jean, Billy Jean, the creator of... Okay, Billy Jean. Sorry about that. He's the creator of the Wee Wee Bag, the tiny carrying case that has hit America by storm. So, Billy, do you want to tell us a little bit about your new
Let me
product?
show you it. Swing, voila, Wee Wee bag. No bigger than a pair of scissors.
Very impressive.
Yeah, you know, those ladies carrying around their big bags getting in the way. Look at this. Spare change, whoop, right into Wee Wee bag.
Wow, it fits perfectly, too.
Chapstick, whoop, right into Wee Wee bag. You can throw it right over your shoulder.
It slides right into it. I mean, it's amazing. Now, do these come in different colors, different variations?
Colors, green, red, rainbow, strawberry.
Let me ask you something. Do you have glow in the dark?
Glow, #1 seller.
Figures. So Billy, let's take a look at how the Wee Wee Bag could help improve your life.
Slamming.
Are you a coffee lover on the go?
Never have time for your cream.
Wee Wee Bag is there for you.
And if you're bored like me,
Wee Wee Bag will give you something to blow on. When it's time to call it a night, I hope while I'm sleeping nobody touches my wee wee.
try out our Wee Wee Bag nightstand.
Hey Billy, mind if I try yours out? Hey Billy, you think you could fit that on my big sword?